Okay, so we found a cat.
Carmel?
We found a cat. We tried to name him Carmel, but he wouldn't really listen. Never mind, he's listening. And there's a dog over there. See that dog? We tried to name it Snowflake, but it looks just like it's just staring at the cat.
Hey, Carmel.
It's really, oh my gosh. I pet it.
Hey.
No, don't hold it.
Okay, fine. I thought you told me to.
Yeah, just don't. If they make a noise, just don't. Shoot. Dog is right over there. Carmel. Oh, shoot. No.
Shoot.
Oh my god. Are you serious? Guess it's not a big deal after all.
Oh, well.
Let's go to your house now. Bye, Carmel. Bye, Snowflake.
Bye. Maybe
We'll see you
tomorrow.
Probably.
We'll give you more belly rubs tomorrow.
Both of you.
Wait, do you
I hope that didn't seem
know how to get to my house from your house?
No, because I live in Fullerton.
Right. Oh well. Well, maybe your mom can drive you here on Saturday or sometime.
Maybe.
Okay, I just need to do my Awanas first for the day, then we can get started on the game, okay?
Okay. Meanwhile, you do your verse. I'm gonna be.
Wait, what?
While you do your verse, I'm gonna be doing the raining snow cones thing. The raining snow cones. But instead, I'm just gonna draw everyone as cats. It's raining snow cones. This is gonna be a parody. This is actually gonna be a parody. Okay. Can you please stop?
Bring your ice machine.
It's time to stop.
Calf. Ice. People. Calf.
It's time to stop.
Ice. Flavor. It's painful cone.
Okay, fine. I'll just delete this video right now. I'll just delete this video. Okay, gosh. Just don't sing the raining snow cones, please.
It's raining tacos.
Okay. Oh, okay. No. Good.
Tacos.
Raining
Need a
tacos.
snow cone.
So the snow cone song is based off raining tacos.
Yep, and I made it up.
Yep.
It's raining tacos. Somebody just died.
He actually
You need to echo.
Okay. So when we get here, he's gonna be doing his verse while I work on the raining snow cones video. So we're here now.
Wait. Milo,
And we gotta go.
go to the cartoon app and then.
It's not called
try
a
to sing the
cartoon app.
song. What?
It's called Flip a Clip if anyone wants to know.
Flip a
So yeah. So we gotta go, guys. So bye.
Bye.